Well, Annette, if it was today, boy, you'd be bundling up those kids before they went for breakfast.
Exactly.
With those giraffes.
You said it. Definitely dealing with the wind chill out there because we do have some winds blowing. It's not going to be as breezy as it was yesterday, but still, when you're already this cold and you just feel a little something, you're definitely going to feel a lot colder. I'll show you those winds in just a second, but this is what it feels like on your exposed skin. So make sure you do bundle up. A Christian asked me earlier if today was going to be a layer type day, and I did say yes to that. So remember, dress in layers. It's going to be chilly this morning, and it's going to stay chilly as we go into the afternoon as well. Look at the wind speeds. Yes, so we do have that northwest flow coming in about 5 to 10 miles an hour, your sustained wind. So that's what we'll contend with as we go through this morning. Satellite and radar are going to stay dry this morning, going to stay dry as we go into the afternoon, and we will have a mix of sun and clouds. If you are going to be traveling up to the north, that's where you're going to be running into a few snow showers there, and we'll have a chance for a few snow showers as we head into Wednesday. I'll talk more about that in a matter of moments. But in the meantime, high pressure is still in control of our weather. Let's head back off towards the west coast because that's where we're seeing another storm system brewing, and that's the one that could be our weather as we head into Sunday into Monday. So once again, we will see this storm system really ramping up, and it will move across the country. So you can see it head on shore across California, then it works its way towards the Gulf Coast states by the weekend, and then it heads towards the mid-Atlantic as we head into, again, your Saturday, your Sunday into Monday. That's when it could be affecting us. This model showing that it looks like it stays to the south of us, but we do have a few models showing that it moves a little bit to the north. With all that said, you can see today is Tuesday. We have until about Sunday, Monday, so this could change. So definitely keep your eyes peeled for that as this system could work its way off to the north. And if it does so, then we are going to be talking about some good snows coming in here. But again, the track too early to display. So we're going to continue to just watch this system this week. So this is my freak out meter. And at this point, again, it's just worth watching. So this is what we'll contend with as we head through the rest of today. Not a whole lot of anything as we head into tomorrow, though. That's when we could see maybe a few flurries, a couple of snow showers coming in here as we head more towards the afternoon time frame. And then we will dry out nicely as we head into your Thursday. As we look at today's planner, again, it will be dry. It will be chilly. We had that light breeze this morning, making that 36 feel more like the 20s. And then that high temperature coming in right around 42 degrees. That's it. We should be right around 49 degrees for our high. 7-day forecast coming up, but now let's go check the traffic with me.